Hi, this is Cindy from VintageToNew, and today I wanted to do a little short video on something very near and dear to my heart. As I've gotten older and as I have many years of collecting craft supplies and craft things, I really want to just start trying, well, I have started trying to be more creative in using what I have instead of going out and buying the next new thing, the next new thing, the next new thing. Okay, but I still do sometimes. So in one of my videos, I used this little punch, and I just recently purchased this one. It was used, and I absolutely love it because it makes the little tab tops that go on the top of a card, a journaling card, or whatever card you're going to put into your journal. So you would glue it on like so. It makes a nice little tab file. You can move it up and down anywhere you want. That's awesome. But you know, you could also put it on the top, and instead of having a tag that has the cut sides, remember our little card where we use this to cut off the corner here and the corner here to make a tag. Use it on the top to make a tag topper. It's really cute. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I think you could figure that one out just by looking at it. Then I purchased this one because I thought, oh, it's so cool. You just cut a 2-inch wide strip of paper. You put it can be any length, so you can make, nice long tags with a pretty top. Really quick, really easy, but they're only 2 inches wide. All right, so what can you do with that? So here's what it looks like when you just cut it out. But then I got to thinking, what if I folded my 2-inch paper in half and put both ends up and clip through? Then I end up with this really neat little, almost a booklet looking tag. I kind of like that. You could use that for lots of different things. And then I thought, well, what happens if you fold it and you put the folded part up here at the top? Hold on. So what if I took my file folder that's 2 inches and folded in half this way? And a lot of your stamps, or a lot of your punches, you can look in the back and see inside. And I'm inserting the file folder up, and I'm not going to cut the very tippy top of the fold. So that's how you do that. Just click it through. All right, and then I'm going to rip it off down here, and look at here. It's hinged like that, and you could make that, I already inked one up so it looked pretty, a larger file folder tab. You could put that on the top of a tag, and it would look really pretty. You could make it smaller, or you could put it down farther, and you could even put an embellishment here on this, and then your tag would just look wonderful. Your little journaling card or your tag. The other thing I did it in my fairy journal, is I did this with 2 long pieces. This isn't, okay, I did 2 long pieces and left the top attached. And then I put it like this across the top of a tag. And then just sewed across the top up here. And then you're able to look and lift on both sides. So just leaving that attached at the top. So that was another one. All right, sorry for reaching like that. All right, so what else can I do with some of the punches I already have? Because I think I'm done buying punches for quite a while, because I tell my husband pretty frequently that he's going to have to take avalanche training, because sooner or later, all of my craft supplies are going to fall on me and he's going to have to come rescue me. I am out of space. So I only have a couple of circle punches. I have an 1.5 inch and I have a 5/8. Let's see what happens with this 1.5 inch punch. And some punches do not do well on double file folder, but they'll do okay on a lighter cardstock. So let's see what happens with this circle punch. So I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to leave just the tiniest, you see right there, it's not going to punch. Okay, it went through fine, and look at there. I have a double circle. So could that go on the top of a journaling card? A tag? Yes, it could. That would be really cute. A really great place for an embellishment. Could it go on the side of a journaling card that's going to go in a pocket? Yeah, I think it could. That would be a winner winner. So there's that one. Let's try this little circle. It might be pretty small, but let's just see what we get. And this one is not going to work with the double file folder, so let's try it on just a piece of lighter weight cardstock. Boy, it's a real tight fit, but it went in. This one has a little thing that catches it, so I'm going to open it up so I can see. All right, same thing. A really fun little double circle, and it's very small. I'm not sure it would really work wonderfully for the top of a tag. That's pretty puny. But maybe on a small journaling card, you could do that. Be a perfect place for a letter or whatever you want to embellish it with. But it would look really good on the side of a card. So what else do I have? I have one thing that punches tags, and this one doesn't do the hole. I should have been prepared with more paper. This is just some more lightweight cardstock. I'm going to fold it. Now, the problem with this one, the tag or the punches with the top down here. So that's going to be trickier. Let's see here. I'm going to have to get it to approximately the right size. I should have cut that. And do it so that the top is here. So pulling it down so that my pattern is straight. I've left a little bit at the top. There's my double tag. Opens up like that, which is really cool. And it's the same thing as the other one. You could pull it down to here. You could put it across here. I don't know. It's very similar to the other one, but you kind of catch my drift. So just look at all of your punches and decide, what else can I do with those? I have two punches left. I have one that's this little oval, and we could do it so that the oval, this one does not do cards, file folder, 2 pieces, but it will do this. So line it up so that the top is there. Well, it used to do 2 cards. This one's too heavy. Let's do something lighter. Maybe this is lighter. Nope, it's not going to do it. So that one doesn't do folded. I thought it did. Maybe it does folded paper. So this one doesn't do folded cardstock or folded file folder, but let's try it with a folded dictionary page. Folded dictionary page. So there. So now I have a little folder thing that could go here or at the top, or you could do it so that it's hinged at the top by putting it in sideways. Get it up in there. So there's two pieces, but anyway, it's hinged here at the top. So it would go on like this, or a little farther down if you wanted, or even at the top up here could be kind of good. So you can see that one. And then the last one I have is this little heart, and I think you can see where I'm going with that. I hope this one does a double. I've not tried it. Let's use this rose, and it's the same as the other one. It only punches this way. So we have to get it down to the right size. See, I have to make it smaller so that I can have the fold at the top. A little bit smaller. Hopefully you can see and understand why. Because the punch is this way, you have to make it fit. Alright, so I've got just the tiniest little bit. Let me open this up. The tiniest little bit at the top. The bottom is still in the punch, and I don't want it to be flat across the top, so I want it to be just really small catches. So really small. How cute is that? So there's that one, or this way. So anyway, I just want you to go look at your craft supplies. If you've been crafting for a while, you probably have a lot. And I want you just to start looking at it and going, what can I use in a different way instead of having to go buy something new? So that was the whole idea behind this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And so until next time, this was Cindy from Vintage to New.